Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sell items in Fishdom game. Whether it's decorations or aquarium items to free up space and get some more coins back, let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up your Fishdom application and go to the aquarium where the items you want to sell is placed. Now tap and hold the item you want to sell, and then click on the little red dollar icon. Tap on the sell button to remove the item from your aquarium and get some coins in return. And that's it. Selling the items gives you coins, but you won't get back the full amount you paid. Some items are part of your aquarium beauty rating, so selling too many can lower your progress. And that's how you easily sell items in Fishdom. Whether you are redecorating or need more coins, this is a simple way to manage your aquarium. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Fishdom tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!